Hi Maria, how's English class going for you?
It's hard, Mr. Thompson. I get mixed up with the words and grammar.
That's okay, Maria. Learning English takes time. Making mistakes is part of learning.
I get nervous talking in English. I forget words and worry about saying things wrong.
Everyone makes mistakes, even in their own language. It's okay. Just keep trying.
I don't always say words right. I'm afraid people won't understand me.
Your pronunciation will get better with practice. What's important is that you're trying to speak.
How can I improve?
Listen to English songs, watch movies, and try to use English every day. And keep speaking, no matter what.
I watch English TV, but I need subtitles.
Subtitles are good. They help you learn. Maybe watch a show first with subtitles, then without.
My writing seems too simple.
Simple is okay. It's more important to be clear. You'll learn to make longer sentences later.
Sometimes I feel like I'm not getting better.
You are improving, just slowly. Don't give up. I'm here to help you.
Thanks, Mr. Thompson. I'll keep trying.
Good. Ask me if you need help. We can do this together.
Hey Lily, I just talked to Mr. Thompson about my English class.
How did it go?
Good. He said I'm improving. But I still find English hard sometimes.
What parts are hard for you?
Grammar and speaking. I get nervous and make mistakes.
Me too. I mix up tenses when I talk.
Mr. Thompson said making mistakes is okay. It's part of learning.
That's nice to hear. What else did he say?
He suggested watching movies in English and listening to English songs to help with listening and speaking.
That sounds fun. We could watch a movie together in English.
Yes, let's do that. He also said to keep speaking in English, even if we make mistakes.
We can practice speaking English together. Maybe go shopping and talk only in English?
Great idea. Shopping and learning at the same time.
Do you read books in English?
Yes, but sometimes I use a dictionary a lot.
That's okay. It's good to learn new words. Maybe we can read the same book and talk about it?
I'd like that. We can have a mini book club.
What about writing? Do you write in English?
A little. I write short stories. But they are very simple.
I think simple is okay. We could write stories and share them with each other.
I'd love to. It's fun to be creative with English.
We'll get better at English together. It's more fun with a friend.
Yes, it is. Thanks for helping me, Lily.
Anytime, Maria. Let's keep learning and having fun.